cut. That's a scary sight.
Oh yes, cuz you the man. Nah, we ain't on no little boy shit, man. We had to, you know, we had to boss up. Knew I was a man when I realized that I wasn't on shit. All that work I put in these streets and I don't know shit. I don't wanna slide with no nigga, you hit my phone, click. I don't wanna hear about your problems, I got my own shit. Soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. Soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips. But I done gave out covers without me, you would be coldest.
Today's video, man, is gonna be something small, something simple, something slight.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
We got something that came in the mail today. I feel I got an idea of what it is. Actually, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. This is difficult doing it with one hand, but I had two more to go. Hold up. Unbox this, open it up, okay. Open this thing up and see what it is. Oh, this looks pretty familiar, pretty odd, familiar-ish. Okay. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh. Yes, sir. We lit and we living like that. Yes, sir. Big SVT.J TV, man. Let's go, man. I got this from this company. I'm gonna put the company right here so you guys can see it, man. Got this from this company. My only problem with this company is that it took forever for it to come into the mail. And that's like my biggest issue with it right here, that it took forever. I ordered this way back in Christmas, and it's not February. You see, you catch my drift. But man, forget the small talk, bro. Let's go ahead and get this joint installed. Hey guys, so I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is that it works, you know? It works. The bad news is that it has a shortage in it. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, there goes a cigarette lighter. So what happens is this cord right here, it travels all the way into this box. This box right here has a short in it. So I have to bend the box in pretty much this direction in order for it to work. Let me show you guys how this looks, bro. This looks pretty cool, man. Let's hook this giant boy up. Let me know when y'all ready. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I know you fucking lying. Hold on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Big SVT.J.TV, man. You see what it is, you know what it is. Let's go. All right, guys. Please don't mind the car. We got some cleaning to do. Let me unhook this, because that buzzing noise shit can be annoying on Granny and them. All right, guys, so I came up with this idea where I'm gonna use this double-sided tape. And we're just gonna get each and every angle of this double-sided tape.
All right, we're gonna break them apart. This is piece number one. I'm gonna put that one near the top. All right, okay.
But I don't have clear tape at the moment. Yeah. God damn it. I'm trying not to. Fuck! It fell. Is it lit? Oh, it's lit. It's lit, even though it fell, it's lit. All right, guys, I wanted to wait until it got dark outside before I, you know, basically cut the camera back on and started recording again so you guys can see how truly lit this is. I ended up taking the whole thing apart and rewiring everything and basically making sure that all the connections were secure. Ended up mounting it in a perfect spot. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Oh, that is so badass. That is so badass. I'm trying so hard not to hit this sensor. So it flashes like this, and I can cut it on so it could be on, you know, just a solid get on. Yeah. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy SVT.J, and I'm back with another video. I don't know why I'm saying this shit. This is 9 times 10 gonna be the same video. But I have brought my car, Cobra, to goddamn, exhaust up. You know what I'm saying? And we finna get a muffler delete. We did the cat delete. Now we finna get a muffler delete. I want to hear the difference in tone. We need that joint to get a little bit more raspy. Oh yeah, it's about that time, big boy. It's about that time, man. He like that. He like that. He like that. He like that. Yeah. He like that. She like that. Alright guys, so this is what up under this car looks like. I'm not gonna be one of those guys that tries to spit shine and polish this shit, cause ain't no point, bro. It's gonna get fucking dirty again. Like, ain't no point. But what I do like is how this IRS is looking. You know what I'm saying? It's not too much wear and tear. These hangers, the rubber mounts on them, they probably need to be replaced. But besides that though, you know what I'm saying? We got the bassani mufflers. Yes sir. And right there we got that paired with a bassani X pipe with some BBK long tube headers. Yeah. Brother ain't ate nothing all day. You feel me? So we had to stack up at a brother favorite taco truck. You feel me? That I used to go to back in the Gap, back in the Jap. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Let's go check on this car real quick. Yes sir. Sheesh. Got the second muffler off. Got the first pipe watered on. Sheesh. It's gonna be kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Can't wait to hear this. We got the bassani mufflers right here, man. These Jones are up for sale, buddy. Up for sale. You guys want to cop the bassani mufflers? Let me know, man. They are up for sale, man. Catch me in my DM. Sheesh. Whoa. Holy shit. This is a totally different monster. Oh man, that sounds crazy. It sounds good, don't it? Yeah. Yeah, compared to how it was when I first pulled up, it sounds totally different. Oh my God, bruh, it's always something. You gotta be kidding me. Hey, let me pop the trunk. Oh yeah, you know we do POV drive. All right, guys, we in the Mustang, man, with the muffler delete, bro. This Jones sound crazy. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't even peeped that he put it down yet. Let me come out, man. Let me come out. Let me come out. Let me come out. Let me come out. We good? Let me come out. Let me come out. Shit, let me come out. Hold on. Holy shit. I hate 1960 for this reason right here, exactly. Stay alive. We can't afford for you to die in traffic like that. Oh my God. Hey, Day. You ain't got shit on me. I hope you hear that. Downshift under the bridge. Went from an exhaust video to a goddamn linking up with my boy Bosh and getting this goddamn Audi right. You feel me? Yes, sir. My boy got the Audi. Upgraded turbos coming soon. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just installed a new top. I've been waiting for this car to cool down just to give y'all a cold start. Check the temperatures of it real quick though, just to make sure it's an official cold start. Oh yeah, this is an official cold start. If you haven't already, man, please give this video a thumbs up, bruh. Please hit that like button, buddy. What are you doing? Hit the like button. And comment your favorite part and subscribe. And until next time, we are out. Peace.
I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. Soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips, but I done gave out covers without me.